Recording.
All right, I'm gonna let this camera run and see what happens. Right there's your crypto mine, one of 5 that are in Cherokee County, North Carolina. If you're watching this, don't let a crypto mine come to your neighborhood. They'll tease you with jobs and tax benefits and cheaper power. But let me tell you, the power company's going to raise the power bill. It's not going to provide any jobs. And you will have brownouts in the summertime and blackouts in the wintertime because the crypto mine has a contract with your power company that they get the power before you do. So you were warned. For those of you watching this video, this is Harshaw Road, and it's on one of those North Carolina road map things for motorcycle roads that you need to take in North Carolina. When I moved here, Harshaw Road was much better. There was a killer hairpin back towards Murphy. I mean, a great hairpin. It was set up right for a motorcycle. But yeah, since then they chip sealed Harshaw Road, so the pavement's not as good as it used to be. Lately they've been cleaning the ditch, as you can see. The road's very dirty. I don't know if you can see or not, but trust me when I tell you, all that debris that was in the ditch, it seems like half of it made it to the dump truck, the other half is still on the road. Look at this corner. Oh, somebody swept this corner off. No, not here though. I have Roland behind me. He is on a Triumph 400 something. Today's going to be the first day I actually get to see it. I've changed tires on a half dozen of them, but I don't get to see the bikes because it's cheaper for owners to bring me tires off the bike. If you need tires in Murphy, North Carolina, I'm your guy. If you place your order today with Rocky Mountain, it's Rocky Mountain MC and ATV, Rocky Mountain ATV and MC, something like that. Just Google Rocky Mountain motorcycle parts, you'll get it. If you buy from them, your tires will be in Murphy, North Carolina tomorrow when FedEx shows up. And you're welcome to ship them to my address. You won't be the first one. So this is Brasstown Road. This is the folk school right across the street from us. That's the Murphy Powerboard truck in front of us. They're the ones that sell the power to the crypto mine. I'm gonna give huge props to Murphy Powerboard. The power is very expensive, but when your power goes out, they get it up really quick. Oh, they're doing the farmers market today. How cool is that? Now that I'm retired, I'm gonna have to come down here and see what they have. We are now on Old 64 in Brasstown, North Carolina. We are now out of Brasstown, North Carolina. We go around a turn, and this is a historic landmark on the left here. This field here is, what's it called? Tri-County Racetrack. Back up in there. That is supposed to be the oldest run dirt track in the U.S. So they're working on it right now to make it better. But yeah, there's no shortage of dirt track racing that goes on back in there. And that's right here in Murphy, North Carolina. I guess Brasstown, North Carolina. We're in our second county right now. We're in Clay County, North Carolina right now. Old 64. We're heading to Warren, North Carolina. Warren, North Carolina is coming up in the world. They just got themselves a Dollar General. When I came through here on Monday, this road was littered with zucchini. And then I caught up to a flatbed trailer that was loaded full of zucchini, and it didn't have any sides on it. So every time this guy took a turn, he was dropping zucchinis off the trailer. Thanks for sharing my lane. If I haven't warned you guys enough in videos, don't get near the yellow line.